Hi, my name is Mick Haggerty. I've lived in the Seattle area since 1999 and have worked at Swedish Hospital off and on since 2001 in IT projects. While helping build out the IT infrastructure at Swedish Issaquah in 2011, I had noticed my flexibility and range of motion had diminished quite a bit. I thought it had to do with working so many hours to get the hospital open, but it turns out the pain persisted. In the summer of 2019, I had a friend of mine go through the pain program, and she had suggested that I attend the friends and family meeting with her. What was presented sounded like it might really help me in my pain response and kind of get me back on track with life, really. First off, what an amazing program. I was under the care of Dr. Stanos, who assessed me in the fall of 2019. Based on that intake appointment, he decided that I'd really benefit from what the Swedish Functional Restoration Program offered. When I started in December, I would work with the care team on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays of each week. Tuesdays and Thursdays were individual sessions, where Wednesdays we structured in more of a group setting with other patients. Now, at first, I was not sure I was okay with being in a group, but that concern was quickly dispelled. But what was really unique about the Swedish Functional Restoration Program is how accommodating and invested the care team are in your case, and how they collaborate with each other to get the best results for you as a patient. If you show up and do the program, you will get benefits. Don't doubt that this program can help you.